Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst as well as the host of the Grok Star Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. But more on that later. Here's some trades that we had this morning on HALO, Halozyme Therapeutics. It had opened up down 23%, and then it bounced, as you saw here, forming a descending triangle. So I was telling everyone in the room to be sure you short this one, but IB had restrictions on shorting. You could only short it on the uptick today. I did not get in the first part of this, and then it started to base down here, low base here at $8. That is a bearish position, so at this point it was already down 5.8% from my original call, and I was going to go ahead and try to short it if it broke the $8 mark, and sure enough it did there, and I finally got ticked in short at 7.87. I'm now short. So let's move this up a little bit and see what happened next. Bam, look at that. Again, low basing again here at the 770 line. Bam, broke that. Now finding some support here at 750. So I took half of my position out at 752 for 4.4%. And on the next candle, which jumped like at 1.5%, it took me out at 755 for 4%. So this total short trade from here down to here was for 4.2%. It then continued to go up. I went on a coffee break, but right as it approached this falling 20 moving average, I said to folks in the room, hey, if it breaks that, you should go long. And then I went on coffee break. Well, look what happened next. It ran right up there to the 50 period moving average. I come back from getting coffee and find out it is now up 3.5% from that break. Oh well, as we say in the room, somebody else's money. I could have had that, but I didn't. So I wanted to see what was going to set up next. And it came along and it started to pull back from that 50 period moving average. And it's going along here support. And now it's starting to come back up. It's now forming what we call a pullback buy or a bull pullback. If you want to know more about that and how to trade it, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chart school. And here's a description of it as well as a picture where you have a rising that's pulling back to an area of support and begins to take off again. Again, this is a bullish pattern. So if it broke this 50 period moving average, and I want it to be long. And there it is. I ticked in right here at 816. I'm now long 816. Let's see what happens next. Oh, nice steady climb, nice steady climb. Look at that. Back up the 850 line here, which was back here on that triangle we had before, was the line of support. So guess what? Now it's a line of resistance. Pulled back from there. I decided to take half out at $8.45 for 3.5%, and it just wasn't going to break that. So I went ahead and took out the other half right here at $8.86 for 3.6%. So the total trade from here to here, scaling out, was for 3.55%. So in these two trades, going down and coming up, we had 7.75%. If you'd like to trade like we do in the Grok Star room, or just how to learn to trade either swing trading or day trading, doesn't matter. We have a 3-day immersion Grok mentoring program this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. If you're interested in joining us and learning how to trade, just go to mentor@groktrade.com. Just email and let us know of your interest. This is Mark the Meerkat. Just remember, you have to let those winners run.